Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at a trading opportunity you shouldn't miss. Okay, a trading opportunity you should not miss whenever you are trading. Either you are trading boom and crash, or you are trading volatility market or step index, or even fiat currency. You shouldn't miss this trading opportunity. It's very important because within this opportunity, within the time frame you will be having the opportunity, you're going to make lots and lots of money with it. Okay, so I want you to sit tight, watch this video to the end. All you need to do is to make sure you have your notepad and your pen ready so that you will be able to take note of everything I will be highlighting in today's video. But first, before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself on time, and most especially during the, I mean, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, you will be able to make lots and lots of money for yourself if you follow the simple steps and also practice and perfect your skill. Okay, with that being said, okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. Practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my video, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. And also, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notifications so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So before we go fully into today's video, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market, and I will be starting with boom 1000. We'll be taking a different dimension this time around. We will be checking out the higher time frame to check out the support and major resistance level, and also to know the direction of the market before we go into the analysis properly. Those are some of the things we will be looking at in today's video. Okay, I'm starting with boom 1000, and as you can see, I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. So let me take it to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's check a few things out. Okay, you can see from here on the 24th of January it got to this support level, and it grew up to this resistance level on the 9th of February, and right here it got to, it's pulled back a bit and went back to that level again, but it got to another resistance level. Okay, which means that it's trying to go back on uptrend, and it got to this resistance level and pulled back again. Okay, this time around came back to that resistance level and came down again. So it pulled up again from here after getting to this level. It pulled up again to this level, which means it is on downtrend at that particular time. But check it out, it came down to, it broke out from this support level this time around and came down to create another support level here, which was the previous support level that it got to, as you can see. So you can see that history is repeating itself. Okay, this time around it has gotten up to this resistance level. You can see it at this resistance level because it is a major resistance level. Once it gets there, even if it's going to break this resistance level, you must experience some pullbacks, and that is what happened yesterday. As you can see, we got a pullback here. It came down a bit, and this time around still coming down again. So if the pullback is not that strong, then it might end up breaking this resistance level. But if it is strong, then it will go back on downtrend, and which can go for long. Okay, it can go till this level. Okay, at least till this level before it will turn back. So let's go to lower time frame just for us to see what is happening on lower time frame. I'm taking it down to 1 minute time frame. You can see it's been on downtrend since then. This is a movement that you shouldn't miss. You can see it going down continuously. You can see the yellow line, and it is going down on the yellow line, which means that it is on downtrend even on the lower time frame. So this is amazing. So the market is going to be more of downtrend than uptrend. Probably later in the night, you will be experiencing some um uptrend a bit, trying to pull back a bit. Okay, so that is the way it works. Let's check out crash 1000 using the crusher indicator. Okay, this is also on daily time frame. You can see that it has gotten to a resistance level at this moment. Check it out, it is at a resistance level. That is why it is pulling back. So it is going to, you will be experiencing more of downtrend than uptrend, okay, throughout this week. And that is what happened throughout this week. Okay, and as you can see, the market got to this it's got to this support level. If you should check it out, it has gotten there here, around here. It also got there here. It was unable to break it, although it was broken at this session. But check it out, it got there here, and it went back up and tried to consolidate around there, and it is still at the same point. If it breaks it successfully, then we should see the market getting to this level. But if it does not, it will definitely pull back, which is what it's trying to do. So let's check lower time frame. Let's check lower time frame to see what is happening. You can see it has been buying since, as you can see. So that is how amazing this is. And if you should check it out, I'm using the crusher indicator. The crusher indicator also gives us a signal here, a buy signal here, and it's got confirmed here. So check it out, it's been on a very long trend. This actually gave us 60 minutes candles, and it is still going up. Okay, that is one amazing amazing thing about this. So let's check out what is happening with boom 500. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator, and as you can see, this is very easy to analyze anyway, because we've got our trend indicator here. Okay, as you can see, it shows that the market is on uptrend. It started the uptrend from here. You can see this is the support level, and it started going up and up and up. Okay, so at this stage it is at a resistance level. You can see that it has tested the resistance level several times and unable to break it. So right now it is trying to pull back again. If it breaks the support level successfully, I believe the trend should also change to downtrend. But if it is unable to break it, maybe it's going to try to break the resistance level again and see if it will be targeting the next resistance level. So we can take it down to 1 minute time frame also to check out what is happening there for those that are scalp trading. Okay, you can see that on 1 minute time frame it is also on uptrend. Okay, you can see that it is on uptrend at the moment. It has been on a very long downtrend for a while. It has been on a very long downtrend, and these are movements that one shouldn't joke with. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator for it. Okay, as you can see, for crash 500, it's got to a major resistance level here, and it started crashing and crashing and crashing. It is selling, more of selling. But if you should check something out, this is a support level that it was unable to break earlier on. It has gotten there here again. It was unable to break it, retested it again, was unable to break it, but this time around it is around the resistance level, and it's trying to pull back up again. So if it pull back up successfully, then we are looking at it breaking this level, this resistance level. Okay, if it breaks this resistance level, then it should be going up. It might not be immediately, but at least it will take some time before it gets to that level, because if you check here, at this stage where it got to this resistance level, and that was on the 22nd of March 2021, and look at the number of time or days that it took before it got to this level. So that is the way it works. But let's quickly take it back to 1 hour time frame to check out what is happening there. As you can see, in 1 hour time frame, like I said, it is trying to pull pull back up, you can see that it is going back up right now. So that is the way it works. It is as simple as that. It has been on a very long downtrend before. So I'll be stopping there with my analysis. I believe you all know what you should look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, I've tried to give you the idea of what the market looks like before you go into it. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well using whatever indicator you are using. I have actually used my own indicators to do my analysis, but right now in today's video we'll be looking at a trading opportunity you should not miss. Okay, these opportunities usually come on almost every day, so you shouldn't miss an opportunity like this, and I'm going to show you how to grab an opportunity like that to make the market successful, and I'm going to give you a few examples of this, and so that you can know how to go about it. Okay, so let's quickly check them out. But before doing that, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Okay, so let's move on to the trading platform immediately. Okay, so we'll be starting using the crusher indicator. Okay, using the QDC scraper indicator. We are using the QDC scraper indicator, and we are analyzing crash 500. Can you see this chart? Okay, you can see that it was on a very long trend. How do we know when the market will go on a very long trend will be very greenish like this? Okay, the best way you can know is when you know the trend of the market, and that is what I tried to show you guys when I was doing the analysis by going to the daily time frame. I already know what the market is talking about in daily time frame, so I know that it is going to be more of buy than sell, or more of sell than buy on lower time frame. Okay, so that is what I should look out for on lower time frame. Probably it is creating a bearish candle, then I should be looking for an opportunity to sell on lower time frame. That is the way it works. Okay, but if you don't know how to do the analysis effectively, that is when you need some of these custom made indicators. Okay, let me tell you this: the custom made indicators will not trade for you, and they are not 100% perfect. They are just 90% perfect. If anything should happen within the market within seconds, it's going to readjust itself. So that is very, very important. But once you can get something that can give you 90% that can help you to make a kind of 90% analysis, then I believe you are good to go with that. Okay, so that is how good it is. So how do you know when you can trade, or when you have an opportunity to trade for a very long time on a particular trend? Okay, to trade for a very long time on a particular trend, that is what we are looking at. Like I have explained, you can use the higher time frame to detect this, then you can also use this indicator to do the analysis, and you need to know the trend that is most suitable for whatever assets you want to trade. For instance, if you are buying crash, if you are trading a buy on a crash, then you should know that you should trade it on an uptrend. Okay, so right now this is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend. As you can see, this arrow actually came out somewhere here, but because it has finished with the trend, it is trying to switch over to downtrend. Okay, because it's not going to remain there for long. Okay, came out from here, so you can easily come in here. Okay, you can easily come in here and trade. Okay, you can see this is a very long uptrend. As you can see, it is a very long uptrend. So what is it trying to say? Once you are very sure of the trend, then you can milk the market for a very long time. So this indicator has actually given us an opportunity to know the trend right from the beginning. Okay, so once the uptrend arrow is showing up, then you should know that you should be getting ready to trade. You can do it in two ways. Okay, once the buy arrow is out on the main chart, you can go in there and buy, and once you are buying, you can buy as long as this is still green. You can keep on buying. Okay, that is if you are having enough capital. But if you are not having enough capital, or you are yet to build your confidence in the trade, okay, since stop loss will not work for the normal trend here, then all you need to do is to pick up 5 candles. I can give you the guarantee of you picking up 5 candles successfully. So far you are following the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so you can do that over and over and over. Not that you cannot do more than that, you can do more than that, most especially if you're having enough strong capital. Okay, so enough trading capital, so you can easily do that. You can see that we've picked about 4 5 minute candles now, and we can still pick more. We're still within the same trend. Okay, you can easily pick more still within the same trend, and it goes on and on and on like that. Once you are sure of the trend, it's not going to be for a short time. The only time you can have a short trend is when you are following the trend, the 4 MA candles, or the one in the middle here. Okay, sometimes they will go for long, sometimes they will go for short. Okay, but the one on the third indicator window here will always go for long. Okay, it will always go for long. So we can cite more examples. Let me check. Boom 1000. Okay, boom 1000. You can see this. You can see this long trading opportunity. This actually started, the trend actually started from here. You can see it started from here, which means that you should be getting ready here. All you need to do is to wait for the sell arrow to pop out. It popped out here. Check it out. It easily gave us enough candles to trade with. So far this is still red, the trend is still red, then you are good to go. Okay, I can be in the market from the beginning of the trend to the end, but if I'm not having a trading capital or the confidence is not strong enough, then I can stick with my 5 minutes trading strategy. Okay, pick up my 5 minutes, wait for another opportunity. Of course there will always be more opportunities, then yeah, I will also pick up my 5 minutes and wait for another opportunities, and right here I will still pick up more. Okay, by the time you do that for like an hour or two, then you would have achieved your daily target, most especially if you have it set up on the 4 charts, that is your boom 1000, your boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, then you would have made a lot of money with it. And it is amazing. It is the best way you can go about it. I want you guys to practice this. I believe you have taken note of some of the things I have highlighted in today's video. So go back to your drawing board, go back to your chart, set it up on your demo account, have this set up on your demo account, and practice and perfect it. Practice it throughout today. Let us know the number of trades you are able to pick up with this strategy, and let us know the profit or loss you are able to make with it. Okay, you can leave comments, you can give us your results in the comment section below this video, and you can also send it to me directly on WhatsApp. I will really love to have a look at what you have done, okay, so that we can analyze things together. So I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, remember you can always reach out to me using any of the details on the screen, and do remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you.